The 2018 Toyota Camry and 2018 Honda Accord are two of the most popular, safe, and reliable midsize sedans to consider. Each has been redesigned for 2018. They're similarly priced, come with front-wheel drive, and boast similar features and technology. But there are a number of key differences where the Camry beats the Accord. Comparing similar trim levels, the 2018 Toyota Camry LE delivers a more powerful 4-cylinder engine and comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission, compared to the Accord LX's 6-speed automatic. The Camry is safer. It's an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus. The Accord is not. Also, only the Camry LE gives you a navigation app. It's not available on the Accord LX. The Camry's audio system is nicer. You're surrounded by a 6-speaker system, compared to the Accord's 4 speakers. Also, only the Camry LE has an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, and there's more rear seat headroom in the Camry compared to the Accord. Additionally, Toyota offers 2 years free maintenance in the Camry LE. You'll pay for maintenance on the Accord, and you'll go further on a tank of gas with the Camry. These are just some of the key advantages of the 2018 Camry that you should consider. For more information, visit your local dealer.